Alright, it's like 7 a.m. and before the gym, I want to make this video on how to get creases out of 7s. I mean, this works for toe boxes as well. What I mean by toe boxes, where creases you get creases the most, it's right here in this area, but nobody really thinks about how this get creased. Midsoles. I think 7s, 14s, some other ones I can't think of right now, but this is how you get creases out of the midsoles. Because I'm pretty sure it's a few regular Nikes that this method will work. So what you do is you get a wet towel or a wet t-shirt I like to use, but you can use a towel, whatever you want, and an iron. And what we're gonna do is try not to get it on the uppers. Keep it on the midsole. Give it a little pressure. See it? See how much better that looks already? We ain't done yet, hold up. Keep going. See that? Compared to the other one. See that? I think that's a good trick. I'm gonna do the other shoe, fuck it. Just want to go away. Let's stay consistent. Let's do this shoe. Let's just go ahead and knock this shoe out. Same ordeal. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the wrinkles are there. Boom. Perfect.